Hi friends, I am Sunil working as bsnlje. In this video, I am going to discuss about BSNL TTA previous paper part 3 specialization part 2. Specialization part 2. Specialization part 2. Okay, coming to the 46th question. In a CRT, the highest potential is given to post deflecting accelerating anode. Answer is C. When an oscilloscope is used to measure the phase difference or phase frequency relationship between two unknown signals, it is used in two unknown signals for measuring the phase difference. The answer is XY mode. XY mode. In dash section of CRO circuitry, delay line is used. Vertical. Maxwell's bridge is used for the measurements of inductance. Maxwell's bridge is used for inductance. In case of scaling bridge is used for capacitance. Dash is an electromechanical sensor used to measure both static and dynamic forces. It is used as a load cell. Quality factor nothing but Q equal to XL by R. So answer is A. Elastic element used to measure the pressure. Measure the pressure is nothing but Burden tube. If the open loop transfer function of the system g of s and h of g of s into h of s is given as something equation, and he has given the closed loop pole will be located at s equal to -2, then the value of k by solving this question, the answer is 5760. Which of the following is a closed loop system? Closed loop system: electric switch is the open loop, car starter open loop, generator open loop, autopilot. This autopilot is a closed loop system. Okay. Intersection of root locus branches with imaginary axis may be determined by the use of intersection of root locus branches with imaginary root locus branches with imaginary axis may be determined by the use of the root locus branches and intersection of root locus branches, and these are determined by the root criteria. Okay, root criteria. Polar plots for positive and negative frequencies, they are always symmetrical. Presence of non-linearities in a control system tends to introduce steady state error. Phase margin of a system is used to specify relative stability. Very important fundamental bit. Okay, relative stability. Consider the following statements. In this statement, first three are correct. So the answer is A. Routh-Hurwitz criterion is not a time domain. Okay. The main drawback of feedback system is nothing but instability. If we properly connected feedback, it is best system, but if we not connected properly, it is goes to instability. Transfer function is defined for linear and time variant. So the answer is A. Linear and time variant. The input to a control signal, the input to a controller is nothing but error signal. When we send the error signal, then only it controls. Okay. The gain margin of the given transfer function. Find out the gain margin. The answer is C. The effect of adding poles and zeros can be determined easily by or quickly by Nyquist plot. The industrial controller having the best steady state accuracy is nothing but an integral controller. Next one, instruction cycle is made up of one or more execute cycles. The address bus of 8085 is 16-bit wide, and hence the memory which can be accessed by this address bus is nothing but 64 KB. The register which holds the address of location to or from which data are to be transferred is known as memory address register. Answer C. A microprocessor on arrival of reset signal returns from halt state is nothing but fetch. An instruction used to set the carry flag in a computer can be classified as arithmetic. Carry flag, arithmetic. The interface chip used for data transmission between 8086 and a 16-bit ADC is nothing but 8255. Consider the following assembly language program. By execution of the above program consists of contents of accumulator. The answer is nothing but contents of 30H and is 00H. Okay. The highest priority in 8085 microprocessor system is trap. Very important bit. Okay, trap. Here each instruction in assembly program has the following fields. The correct sequence is a label field, mnemonic field, operand field, and comment field. So the order is sequence is 1 2 3 4. 1 2 3 4. The answer is A. Mnemonic symbols are used to assist human memory. The process of causing an unplanned branching operation to occur, usually initiated by the external signal, is called nothing but interrupt. Stack pointer is a register which comes into use whenever an interrupt or high priority call comes from external device. Dash is called as the father of computer, Charles Babbage. The basic computer data register are nothing but 16 bits. Which of the following is not a computer operating system? Nothing but HP. Windows operating system widely uses dash file system method to organize data storage. Nothing but NT. Tiny dots on the computers are nothing but pixels. Dash helps a group of interconnected computers to share the sending information is nothing but a network. Nibble consists of nothing but 4. Nibble is 4 bits. Byte equal to 8 bits. Slowest sorting procedure is bubble. In RDBM, SAR means relational. Here DTL. For this C. This is assembler. In what order of elements push down, back, push down, stack, or access? Nothing but